In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Klaviyo in Shopify. Integrating Klaviyo with your Shopify store can significantly enhance your marketing efforts by automating email marketing campaigns and providing insightful customer analytics. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up this powerful tool on your Shopify account. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can manage your store operations. You'll see a search bar prominently placed at the top. This is a handy feature that helps you quickly find any apps or tools you're looking to install. Click on that search bar, and now let's search for Klaviyo. As you begin typing Klaviyo, you'll likely notice it starts to autofill, showcasing its popularity and our system's intuitive capability. Go ahead and click on Klaviyo when you see it in the search results. This action will redirect you to Klaviyo's listing in the Shopify App Store. The App Store is like a treasure trove of opportunities for customizing and optimizing your online store, with Klaviyo being one of the gems available to elevate your marketing game. If your Klaviyo account is already integrated with Shopify, great! You'll be redirected to the Klaviyo homepage. There, you'll spot a Turn On button. Simply clicking this button will synchronize Klaviyo with your Shopify data. This seamless connection allows Klaviyo to pull important customer information, like email addresses and purchase history, directly from Shopify. This synchronization lays the foundation for data-driven marketing campaigns, ensuring your communications are targeted and effective. However, if you're new to Klaviyo and haven't integrated your account with Shopify yet, no worries. Integration is a straightforward process, and you can find numerous step-by-step tutorials available on our page to guide you through setting it up. Remember, integrating Klaviyo means you can take full advantage of its excellent marketing automation features like email flows, which are designed to convert leads into customers. By following these instructions, you can easily integrate Klaviyo with your Shopify store, enabling you to harness its robust marketing tools and capabilities. With its user-friendly interface and powerful analytics, Klaviyo allows you to appeal to your audience in a more personalized way. It's an essential step to ensure your e-commerce store thrives in a competitive market. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to more effective marketing and streamlined operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides if you want to explore more tips on optimizing your online store. We'll see you next time for another deep dive into enhancing your e-commerce business.